How to get super glue off skin. Have you ever been fixing something, only to realize your fingers are now glued together? Even though you were careful when you used super glue, it somehow found a way to get stuck on your skin. You're not alone. Super glue bonds almost instantly, and when it touches skin, it can feel impossible to remove. But don't panic. There's a simple way to get it off safely. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to remove super glue from your skin without pain or damage, using easy methods you can do at home. We'll walk through the main steps: soaking, softening, and gently peeling, so you can get back to your day without hurting your skin. Welcome to Best Choices. Things you should know. 1. Try rubbing an oily or greasy product, like vegetable oil, petroleum jelly, or hand lotion, on the super glue. 2. Apply acetone nail polish remover or lemon juice to eat through the super glue. Keep acetone and lemon juice away from sensitive areas. 3. Soak the area in warm soapy water or with a warm compress for 10 minutes to soften and break apart the super glue. 4. Use an abrasive, like coarse salt, an emery board, or a pumice stone to gently rub away residual dried glue. 5. Stop using them if you feel any pain. How to get super glue off skin. Number 1. Hand lotion. Hand lotion breaks up glue and moisturizes your skin at the same time. Take a pump of hand lotion and massage it onto the super glue. Since the lotion is oily, it will eat through the glue so it peels off as you work it in. Hand lotion is the best choice if you have dry, sensitive skin. Avoid pulling the glue off your skin if it still feels stuck. You may accidentally rip off some skin and cause more pain. Number 2. Vegetable oil. Oils break down super glue so it doesn't stick on your fingers. Apply vegetable oil, olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil to a cloth or a paper towel. Rub the patch of skin in a circular motion with the cloth. Within a couple of minutes, the super glue will begin to soften and peel off easily. Number 3. Petroleum jelly. Petroleum jelly is greasy and makes it easier to get glue off of your skin. Dip the corner of a cloth in petroleum jelly and rub it over your skin where there's super glue. Massage the jelly into your skin until the super glue starts to flake off. Just wash the excess off your hands when you're finished. Alternatively, you can massage mineral oil onto the patch of skin since it's also petroleum-based. Number 4. Acetone nail polish remover. Acetone eats through super glue to completely break it down. Wet the corner of a cloth or paper towel with the acetone and hold it against the super glue for about a minute to dissolve the glue. Try gently rubbing the super glue to help lift it off of your skin. Just wash and moisturize your hands when you're finished since acetone can dry your skin out. Avoid using acetone near your eyes, mouth, or any open wounds. Acetone and super glue fumes can irritate your eyes and lungs, so use it in a well-ventilated space. Number 5. Warm soapy water. The soap and water will help loosen the glue's bond. If you're removing super glue on your hands or fingers, fill a large bowl or sink with warm water and a squirt of liquid soap. If you can't easily use a bowl or sink, hop in a warm bath with some suds. Soak the affected area for around 10 minutes to help soften the glue. Rub the glue with small gentle circles to help it lift off of your skin. You may need to try washing your skin multiple times before all the super glue comes off. If your skin is stuck together, avoid pulling it apart. You could accidentally rip off layers of skin along with the glue and cause a lot of pain. Number 6. Warm compress. Heat softened super glue so it's easier to get off of your skin. Get a washcloth damp with hot water and wring it out completely. Lay the compress over the super glue and leave it there for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, try rubbing the glue in small circles to gently peel it away from your skin. If your fingers are stuck together with super glue, try to separate them by rubbing a flat blunt object, like a credit card or butter knife, against the glue on your fingertips. Stop using it if you feel any pain and avoid using any sharp knives or razors. Number 7. Lemon juice. The acids in lemon juice remove dried glue still stuck on your fingers. Put lemon juice into a bowl or wet the corner of a cloth with it. Soak your skin with the lemon juice for about 10 minutes to help loosen up the dried glue. Then, wet a soft toothbrush in the juice and gently scrub your skin to lift up the rest of the glue. Number 8. Salt. Coarse salt rubs off any leftover glue that dried to your skin. Wet your skin with water and sprinkle some coarse salt onto the area. Gently rub the salt in to break apart the superglue and help it peel off of your skin. Rinse off your skin with warm water to clear off the rest of the salt and glue. Only apply gentle pressure since pressing too hard could damage your skin. Stop using salt if your skin starts hurting. Number 9. Nail emery board. The light abrasive on a nail emery board scrapes away dried superglue. Use the rougher side of the emery board and rub it over the superglue on your skin. Apply pressure so you remove the glue but not so much that it causes pain. Keep working until you get as much glue off as you can. Try wetting your skin if you're having trouble removing the superglue. Emery boards work perfectly for getting superglue off of your nails or fingers. Number 10. Pumice stone. Use a pumice stone with warm water for stubborn dry glue. Soak your skin in warm water for 10 minutes first to help soften the hardened glue. Wet your pumice stone and gently rub it over your skin in a circular motion. The glue residue will catch in the abrasive stone and peel off of your skin. Stop using your pumice stone if you feel any pain while you're removing the superglue. Try soaking your skin to warm up the glue again. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. If the superglue isn't causing pain or near your eyes or mouth, you can leave it alone. The glue will peel off within 1 to 2 days on its own. Warnings. 1. Talk to a doctor right away if you get superglue on a sensitive part of your body, like your eyelids, nose, or lips, or if the superglue causes pain. Avoid trying to remove the glue on your own so you don't hurt yourself. 2. Avoid fumes from superglue since it could irritate your eyes and lungs. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.